Hi there Makeup Addicts, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Sarah, welcome, thanks for watching. Today I wanted to get myself in the Christmas spirit, so I decided to do this very gold sparkly eyeshadow look using the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes, and today I'm using the P. Louise base in 0.5 Rumour. I just put that all over my eyes with a really densely packed brush, and then I go in with my beauty blender just to make sure I get rid of any lines. I don't want there to be any brush strokes in this, so I just pat it out to make it nice and smooth with a beauty blender. The first shade that I'm going to go into today is Hypnotic on this pretty big Sigma E35 brush, and I'm just putting this shade all throughout my crease. And you know what, I actually take it quite high, probably most of the way up to my brow bone here, or actually my brow should I say. I just wanted a really nice wash of a pinky shade throughout my whole crease and brow bone, so that's what I did with this shade. Then I took a Morphe M506 and went into the shade Rough. This is just a little bit browner, but it's almost exactly the same tone, so it makes a really good shade to just throw it into your actual crease. So I kept this quite controlled. I just wanted to deepen up the socket, so I used this through my crease and then on my outer corner and just tried to smudge out those edges a little bit so it wasn't quite as harsh. Then I went into Spicy on an even smaller brush and just wanted to really deepen up that outer edge and really give a bit of depth to the outer corner. So after packing the shade on, I used an M506 just to blend that all into that crease shade that was already down. Then I picked up my P. Louise base again, and I just wanted to put this all over the main area of my eyelid. I didn't want to go over that deepened outer edge that we'd already done, but I'm about to put a pretty flaky shimmer shade down, so just wanted to give it something to stick to. And then the fun really begins. Using my finger, I just took the shade Tantric, which is just a really flaky gold shimmery shade, and went into the pan a good few times to pat this all over my eyelid, just completely covering where I'd put that base down. This is so reflective, my camera can't really deal with it. I then went in with a brush, just tidied up the edges because I'd made a bit of a mess, and then just took the deeper shade that was in my outer corner, using a Morphe M506, just bringing the deepness back to that and just blending the two together. I must admit, this did end with a lot of fallout on my face. Then I took Untamed, which is a slightly more purpley, deeper shade, and just ran that across the outer half of my lower lash line. Then I decided that this look was worthy of lashes, which is rare for me, but I got this lash base liner glue in a Latest in Beauty box, which I received the other day and wanted to give it a try. So I put quite a lot of this liner on because I just couldn't imagine it being sticky enough, if I'm honest. So I layered a few layers of this lash glue on, really being quite generous with it. And then I took a pair of, what was I using? Ardell Baby Demi Wispies. I know they're small, but on me they're big, so I took these lashes, and I must admit, this is probably the second easiest way to put lashes on after magnetic lashes. Then I lined my upper and lower lash line, and that was me done. I really enjoyed doing this look. It really got me in the Christmas mood, which is the first time so far this year. And if you liked it too, go ahead and hit the like button. If you enjoy my sort of content, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe to this channel. It would be fantastic to have you in the family. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.